Fresh, fast, flavorful. Today we're making a Mediterranean breakfast skillet that's perfect any time of day. Let's get started. You'll need eggs, cannellini beans, colorful vegetables, a few simple seasonings, and fresh parsley. Sauté the onions and peppers until tender. Add the garlic, beans, tomatoes, spinach, and seasonings. Make 3 small wells. Crack an egg into each one. Cover and cook until the whites are set and the yolks are cooked to your liking. Finish with fresh parsley. Get a fresh meal on the table in 10 minutes or less. Download your copy below. Every bite is packed with fresh Mediterranean flavor, colorful vegetables, and perfectly cooked eggs. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.